All right, so today I'm going to be showing a comparison between the C language, assembler, and Python, right? So the test is basically cycle through nothing 4 billion times. Great, so they all do the same. I'm going to show you them again. Here, assembler, C. So you can see, you can see. You can see in the C code, basically a while loop, 4 billion times, right? And it just adds to I until it reaches 4 billion, this number, and then it just quits the program. Same here in assembly, same here in Python. I will also show you the makefile here. Great, so I already ran the test because, well, one specific programming language, I don't know if you can guess which one it was, took a really long fucking time to run. Right, so I'm gonna just show you the test results. So we got C language. So you can see, it took 50 milliseconds to run the test, right? It's a pretty big test. I mean, for modern processors, not, but it's still a pretty large test. So, right, so it ran it. I'm having a fucking stroke. It ran it under 50 milliseconds, right? We can scroll down to the assembler, and you can see it ran the same test in under 40 milliseconds. A bit faster. I wouldn't say it's such a big difference, but I do take the difference into account because I actually care about performance. I care about performance a lot. That's my main thing. Whatever. So yeah. And now we scroll down to the Python. Now, the Python language, I don't know what the fuck it was doing the whole time. If it was like Bitcoin mining in the background. But, yeah. Yeah, let that sink in. So, the same test, I will show you, Python. This is like probably the simplest code out of every single one. Took 5 minutes, 18 seconds, and 240 milliseconds to run. Yeah, so not the best. Right, I've also got one more thing to show, which is the size of the programs, right? So you can also see that assembler is faster than C, which is okay. Yeah, it's not that much faster, but it is faster. So, which means, well, it is faster, right? Faster is faster. But not only is it faster, it's also smaller. It's smaller in size. So you can see I checked the size of the assembler executable. The assembler executable is 3 kilobytes large, right? But the C executable is 83 kilobytes large, right? So there is a pretty big difference in size, and there's a small difference in speed, right? Obviously, the speed would be faster if I would have actually put the max optimization. Now, I didn't do that because the max optimization removes all this stuff. And if I disable optimizations, even though this in this code is basically the same thing, it will run a lot slower than the assembler one. So assembler would have won in probably every case. Well, because also assembler doesn't have all of the other C library stuff in it, right? So when you assemble with GCC, it also puts in the printf, the std out, or whatever other functions you have, right? It puts in every single one that's with like the standard of C. It doesn't matter if you're, I don't know, just making a simple program, or if you're making a large program, it always puts it in. You can ask it, I think you can ask it to remove it, but I'm not too sure about that. So I won't be making assumptions, but whatever. So, right, so this was my little comparison about, well, this was my comparison. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.